All right, so today we're doing leetcode 219 contains duplicate 2. So here we're given an integer array nums and an integer k, and we got to return true if there's two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums at index I equals nums at index j, and the absolute value of the two indices subtracted from each other is less than or equal to k. So let's look at the examples. So for the integer array nums, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, and we can see that index 0 and index 1, 2, 3 are both the same, and 3 minus 0 is less than or equal to 3. Um, and so we return true. And so let's look at this example 2. We can see index 1 and index 2, um, you know, it holds true, and so on and so forth. Uh, and we can look at this one, case 2. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3, and that is greater than 2. And so now we can look at my solution here. So we have a map of our last scene of a specific value. So what we're going to do here is we're going to append the value and the index of our last scene um, of each element. So for each unique element, we'll just put the last scene. And so we traverse through the length of nums. So we're just getting the indices. And if that nums at I is in the last scene, then we check if the absolute value of I minus the last scene at that value, or so I guess at that index is less than or equal to k, and if so, we return true, and we always just update the last seen index of nums to I. And if we after we go through, if we don't return true at all, we would just return false. And so we can run it and we can test it right now. And so we see we pass all the test cases. Let's submit and let's see how we do. All right, cool beans.